Hey Linkers, so I'm going to show you how to get the hookshot today. So the hookshot is found in the 5th dungeon, kind of the water temple. It's in the middle of that lake. So it's the 5th dungeon. It's in the middle of the lake. You can't get to it until you get your water shoes, or whatever it's called. And you gotta fight this guy 4 times. 4 times you gotta blow him up with a big bomb, make him explode. But after all, he'll explode, just like he is there. And give you that beautiful hookshot. Oh my god, the hookshot is so good in this game. I love the hookshot so much. You can go so far, do so many things, so many secrets you can find now with that damn hookshot. So many. Anyways, if this video helped you know where the hookshot is, at least, you know, it makes you feel better knowing you haven't missed it yet, if that's what you're thinking too. Then please give me a like. Please like the video. It helps expose the video. And I don't even want you to subscribe. I don't want subscribers. Subscribers are for losers. Alright, I just want that like. Give me that like. Anyways, bye.